Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan frittata. This is one of those recipes which are healthy and delicious at the same time and can be meal prep too. So without further ado, let's get started. For the vegan frittata, you can take all of your favorite vegetables or just the ones you have right now. Chop them in thin slices or as per your choice, feel free to experiment. To a bowl, add 300 grams of chickpeas flour or gram flour. Chickpeas flour is naturally gluten-free. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Mix everything well. You can adjust the spices as per your taste. Then add water to the flour gradually. Mix and keep on adding the water till you get a nice pouring consistency. Try to reduce the lumps as much as possible. Once you get the right consistency, add the vegetables to the bowl. Add 1 chopped bell pepper, 1 chopped green chili, half finely chopped onion, 150 grams of mushroom, 7 to 8 olives, 7 to 8 cherry tomatoes, 100 grams of green peas, and then mix everything. Take a baking tray and add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Brush it evenly across the pan. Pour the batter in the pan. Adjust the vegetables evenly so they are not lumped together at one side. I missed a few cherry tomatoes behind. Then sprinkle some oregano on it. Place the baking tray in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes over 250 degrees Celsius. After 35 minutes, take out the pan and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Vegan frittata is ready. Slice it and serve hot. This is a perfect standalone recipe on its own, but you can pair it with some fresh salad and make a wholesome meal. I like to meal prep this during the weekend and it's perfect for lunch or dinner because it's delicious, filling, and I don't feel guilty after eating a lot of it as it's super healthy. This recipe is vegan, gluten-free, soy-free and nut-free too, but you can make it using tofu or add your favorite dry fruits as well. If you make it at home, please share your feedback in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest at these handles, and soon you will be able to find all these recipes in written format on my website www.foodatomic.com. Feel free to check it out. It's a work in progress right now, but I would love to hear your feedback. So if you liked today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. If you're looking for more healthy recipes, click right here. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.